today I'm kind of just hanging out, honestly. I was on my way out to Baltimore to shop for my giveaways on Whatnot. I was almost there. It's a pretty far drive. And I just remembered that a couple of my friends at Old Glory and Frederick asked me if I'd ever been to Antique Depot in Ellicott City. And the answer was no. Let's go in and see what they got. Super turned around. I just came from down there. Christmas looks mostly contemporary, although I've got my eyes peeled after that last booth, especially. The tall book of Christmas. How cute. Speaking of green, dude, that is so pretty. 18. I don't really think I could personally get away with that. It's really a great color. What's going on with this bizarre Marilyn Monroe? Oh, that's so cool. Unfortunately, it's got a couple nicks. It's older than I thought too. Dang, I wish the condition was a little bit better on that. I would totally grab that. And then the deer, 13. All right, so all the L's are definitely priced at retail, but what I'm really drawn to, those green sunglasses. The bakelight's too close for me too. And plus, I think I'm baked out right now. I have a bunch I need to sell too. So hard to pick out which ones to sell and which ones to keep. I love that poodle. I'm sure it's severely out of my price range, but I would be a terrible friend of Jocelyn if I didn't at least look at how much that incredible Milfoy vase is. I have to know. All right, well, I'm on to the next floor. I'm trying to get enough service so I can send a picture to Jocelyn of that incredible Milfoy vase. Oh my gosh, what is that piece of board? It was $36. I took it out. I was like, I think this is worth that. I'm really not, like, that's not my lane. I just thought it was so cool. This is more my speed. Alice, does that say Austin? Wait a minute. No, Alistair. That is really cool. Dang, I wish that was smaller. I would totally pick that up. Okay, well, I see like 10,000 things. First is this. I've never seen one playing the violin like that. Cupid, $13. Unfortunately, it's cracked. Otherwise, I would probably pick that up even at 13 because I've never seen it. And I love finding things I've never seen. I'm trying to wiggle this one out. 12. She's fantastic. She's got some damage too. I love her little dress. This is what's really bugging me though. I have to know. I'm too short. I'm gonna have to put my camera. Oh, here we go. As is, $30. I don't know, man. Oh, I got it. I'm on like my tippy toes. That is so cool. It's a little too high for me to justify. I'll probably keep it too. That's so freaking epic. Well, the coal caught my attention, and then I saw the seals, the little bone china. Those are fantastic. I don't think they have prices on them though. I don't see prices. Dang. This would be perfect for a Petite Palooza. Dude, this bank. Dang, I thought it was gonna be. It's very confusing. It says 20% here. It says 40% there. Which one is it? It's definitely Norcrest. 40%. I think it's 40%. Whoa, cool bag. And I see a rocking horse. I'm like really wedged in here. I might have to do the math on that. He's pretty great. I also really like this planter. It's large size, 28. That's not bad with the discount. Yeah, that comes to like about retail after the discount. What did I do with my basket? I'm so distracted. Crazy green fuzzy hat. Well, the metal bangles are neat, but this is what really caught my attention. It's plastic. It's not cold. Yeah, faux coral. I was like, that's too good to be true. Although I did find real coral yesterday. How much was this blue one? $5. That's kind of a cool one. Wait, look at the little fox pin. Now here's one for you. The fox was kind of spendy. This one is too, probably. $9. Doesn't leave that much room. And I had one like that not that long ago. Is there stuff in here? There is. This is fantastic. Oh. No. This is like way more time consuming than I thought it was going to be. I thought I was just going to like run in here to say I did it. Oop, how cute. 9. A little touch of Dagny there. Let's see. These are fun. Cows wearing sunglasses earrings. Those seem kind of important. Picked up a pair like this in Arizona. Wait a minute. Is this what I think it is? I'm not sure. I don't think it is what I think it is. These earrings are so fun. Earrings don't really sell well for me, but they were so good. What is on the side of this? Oh, it's a mushroom. I thought it was a face at first. $7. That's really reasonable. It's a little not outlined as well as I'd like, though. Oh my gosh, look at these bookends. How cute. Ugh, I bought a pair like that in Oklahoma, though. They were dogs, and the heat made the glue come off, and it's still haven't even repaired them. What is happening here? That's cool. Quite the situation unfolding this way as well. Big fan. I just dropped my basket and I was about to scream. Dude. What? Hotline Cutie, $12? Never seen. I'm taking this. Things with telephones usually sell really well. This is in the original packaging too. This is beyond a no-brainer. How freaking cool is this? Wow, I know like 10 people who would freak out right now. Now what's hiding in the bucket? Little Irwin dolls. Oh, she's fun. I just had a bunch of Irwins. I kind of love her. She's in stress. It's a little close for me. Oh my gosh, she's fantastic. This is funny. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Accordion lantern, Japan, $5. Dude, what? It's in perfect condition. I thought it was a repop. Dude, this is $5? Kidding me? Sold. Now I'm like, what else do you have in here? This is not, I'm so distracted. Now I'm just reaching for it. Now I'm like obsessed with finding green. Huh. Really have to be paying attention. Is that eyeballs? Are these doll eyes? No, not eyeballs. Just some type of knickknack. All right, some spooky stuff. Lots of spook happening. I'm not sure where to start here. 18 on the pink. This is cool. Crackle glass. I love the color. Caveman. Lion. Crazy good stuff in here. First of all, the elf is $8.50. We need a key assist. Elf is $8.50. We're gonna grab that. Those little cats, $28. That's a little spendy. Oh my gosh, I love the crow. Oh, the Bambi. Wow. Stithe too, $70. And the little lead deer. Sugar bear. Yeah, we need to get that elf out. Whoa, look at the Santa. Hello. $12.50 each. The little devils. Perfect. I'm gonna take all those. All right, now how do I find help? Of course, as soon as I looked up, they had very clear instructions. So someone's coming to help me out with that. What in the meantime, what is this? Interesting. $25. People's Lover. Looks like the crazy Cheshire Cat. I have a no candle rule, but oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, hold on. I hear them coming to help me. All right, so I grabbed the little elf head. I also grabbed the imp playing baseball. I know I have a no sports rule, but for $12.50, that was a great piece. Unfortunately, this one had multiple repairs, so I did leave that one behind. Now let's talk about this. These are so great. Ugh, they're way too new. They're so fun though. I love them. Here's something I've never seen. It's a rhinoceros. $3. Rhino, Japan. It's kind of different. I'm gonna pick that up just because I've never seen one. Knick-knack shelf. These are the first ones I noticed. Japan, very cool. I love the little blue dogs. 10. I have some of these that are going in the dog train. That's why I'm not going a little bit crazier, because I have stuff like it already. Of course, now I'm second guessing the rhino. It's just not as well done as I'd like it to be. Hey, it's a button. Oh, nuts. That's fun. 15. I love the Get Well Soon dog planter. Daisy trash can. How much are you? 21 firm. That only leaves a couple bucks. I had one of those, surprisingly, this spring. Good grief. I don't know which way to turn. I think I'm gonna turn this way. First of all, what is this? Made in Hong Kong. What is this? Porcelain. I'm gonna check that out. But first, I also need to know about this. As is 24 firm. Is it repaired? I've never seen fuzzy ceramic deer like that. Oh, it's got a little nick and it's missing one. What about these? Are cool. I bet those glow under. That one glows under black. I bet. Is this a single shaker? No, deer figurine. Wait, look at this guy. How fun. 13 firm. Wow, this is so much excitement. Also this. Hilarious. Japan 13. I don't know if that leaves enough room. What? Dude. Duster glove. Wait, I love this. This is so funny. But also, wait, should I wear the duster glove? This cat dish. That is so cute. It's got a little spot of damage on it. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. I'm like obsessed with this. I'm just gonna take the rest shelf by shelf. The Tenolic hat. 15, that one's signed too. Oh, look at this little bunny. That's fantastic. I'm still really caught up on those deer. I don't think I can justify spending that much. And the puzzle. This is a very cool dish. Well, upon further investigation, she seems to be a hobbyist piece, and the bell jar has some damage at 25. I can't really do anything with that. This is a very cool glass cat. 13 though. I don't think I could do much with that. Oh, look at the great pigs. This blue one's the first one I noticed. 25. It's so cute. Lenticular eye Santa Kids cup. $10 as is. I don't know what that is, but I like it. There was something else down here. Here it is. This monkey thing. That is different. Modernist monkey figurine, $19. I'm inclined to pick it up because it's so different, but it's a little bit more than I'd like to spend, especially not really knowing what it is. I also really like this cat mug. Huh. Definitely looks contemporary. Still cool though. At 14, I can't really do much with it. What's happening here? Weird. What's up there? Again, contemporary. but the right content. Mudwork Santa mug, 35. Well, I'm not spending $35 on that. I'm assuming that's about what that goes for. Very cool though. The mushroom one is nice. Japan. It doesn't really hold a candle to that Santa one. Let me turn that around so people can see how freaking cool it is. Whoa, look at that lamp. Amazing. I love that filigree style. How do I still have another floor to go? Whew, this is worn me out. I don't even think I'm gonna make it to Baltimore today. Is this what I think it is? No. What is this? Well, you have my attention. $12. Yep. 2 Bakelite bangles. Wow, look at that one. 12 bucks. That's a no-brainer. Sold. So I'm kind of into this. I think it's just this person's decoration, but I love it. Well done. Well done. Look at this cool tissue box. Wait, this is so cool. Do you think I can justify spending like 20 bucks on this? Could you even use that as a vase? I kind of want that. I think that's different. I love the moon and stars stuff too. Whoa. Those are cool. I feel like Jocelyn just bought that at Springfield. I wasn't really paying attention. I was kind of all over the place. There's a lot of stimulation happening. All right, so I did find out what this is. It is not handmade. It is 1994, made by a company called Clay Art, which makes really funky stuff. They're on the Bay right now, anywhere between 40 and 50 bucks. I think I'm gonna try my hand at selling one of these, mostly because I just want to look at it for a while, and I think it's so freaking neat. It was like, yeah, $19. I feel like, why not? I won't make that much money off of it, but worst comes to worst, I'll keep it. Hot pants outfit. Sew it yourself. Look at the graphic on that. How cool. Well, that was very unexpected. What a great surprise. Thank you for the recommendation. I will probably be back. I spent $165 in there. Pretty pumped. I found some really great stuff. I love the vase and the telephone girl, and also this paper mache tissue holder. So, back on the road. I don't know if I'm even gonna make it to Baltimore, but hopefully I will. See you guys tomorrow.